Hello to all my birding friends out there. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Merlin Bird ID app, which is a free app from Cornell University. And we're going to listen to what birds we're hearing, and it will tell us what birds those are. So we're going to go into the app. Now, if you're a birder, you're probably familiar with this app. You can put in characteristics of birds you're seeing, and it will give you possible identification matches on those birds. But today we're going to be using the Sound ID feature. When you go to Sound ID on the app, you're going to see a microphone. Once we click it, it's going to start listening to birds around you and tell you what you're hearing. You can see it just found a northern cardinal for me. Now, if it hears that bird again, it'll just highlight it. It won't keep listening it, but it'll continue to listen for other species. Really a cool feature. You can let it sit there and record as long as you want until your storage fills up. Once you're done, you can simply click stop. You can save the recording. You can play it back. You can look at your matches that it found. And then you can do other things like explore nearby birds, other birds that should be around that it didn't find based on the hits that it did find. It's really a cool feature. It's totally free, works with Apple, works with Android. Get up in the morning, get a cup of coffee, go sit on your front porch. Use the Sound ID feature on the Merlin Bird ID app, see what birds are around you. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.